Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are planning in my social media planner. That planner is called New Day and it is a dashboard layout. It came out last year and it was an 18-month. So let me go ahead and go in there and we can get started. So the previous week was the beautiful forest with orchids from Live Love Posh. This week I am going to be working with the Happy Blooms. There's some really beautiful florals in here that I wanted to work with. So here we go. And while I'm picking out stickers, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And if you are brand new and you just found me and you like content like this, please make sure you subscribe. I would love to have you here. So here we go. So this week is obviously for June 7th through the 13th, as you can see. And I'm starting with page 1 of Happy Blooms. Look at these florals. They are screaming a transitional spring to summer, so that's exactly what I'm going to be using, because this week it feels like summer on the calendar. We have one more week of spring, but it's truly lovely and beautiful in here. Then we have small flowers that go on the bridges of the days. I really like those as well. So they're tiny little ones. Sorry, I'm pulling out a few more things. I hope everybody's week is going so well, and I hope you guys are doing super well. I was pulling out all of my blue washi tapes to kind of add them into the spread. I do enjoy using washi occasionally. I have so many of them that I need to start using them way more. So I'm just pulling my beautiful washi and I'm going to be playing with it and using it a little bit. Okay, so here we go. Let me go ahead and start with this one. I really like this. Is almost like a chevron pattern and I really like this. And first I'm thinking of maybe encircling the floral and kind of cutting it around there. But because of the way this flower is kind of cut out, I don't think I'll be able to do that. So I'm going to lift the flower and put the washi underneath. I do like it as close to perfect as possible, so I'm going to go ahead and put this right underneath, but it's crooked, so let me lift it up again and do it as straight as possible. There we go. I really like this delicate washi, and now we can put the flower on top. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom of the other page. I think it will it adds those blue hints. So blue flowers are really hard to come by, and there's accents of blue and the arrangements, and I want to highlight that blue and bring it out even more. And I think by adding that washi I'll be able to pull it out even more out of the page. I'm gonna go ahead and do a similar thing on Tuesday and Wednesday, and this time I'm going to be using a yellow flower, and as we all know, the blue and the yellow go very well together. I'm gonna add some more washi on this side and divide the page. Yeah, I'm really starting to like this a lot. I think it's so fun. And I'm just gonna use a piece of washi right there as well. I think framing this will be kind of a nice look to this spread. Okay, let me add those flowers right there. I think that looks great. I'm gonna take another big one and play around with the placement to make sure that it fits on my planner. And I don't mind putting one arrangement on top of another as long as it kind of looks like it's meant to be there. Ugh, I love flowers. I love having flowers in my planner. I think it makes my days way brighter. I don't know about you guys, but I keep looking at my planner all day long, and I franken plan, so I have 6 planners and one month each, and I look at those all the time. Let's add a pink one in here and kind of see how that looks to add the pink from the other side. And even more of the pink florals right kind of in the corners so they don't take too much space, but yet they're adding so much to the spread. Okay, I'm gonna add that yellow in here. I want to fill up all of the little spaces. Okay, and maybe I can add a big leaf right here. Now lift this flower up and add another greenery into the spread. Yep, okay, I think that's great. And I'm gonna add another little thing of blue to the bottom to make that arrangement look a little bit less awkward. And add this to my area of the list. I still have a like part of the line left to write in there, so I really don't mind covering up a few of these check marks. And I'm bringing some blue to the top, because as you can see, there's not any blue on that side of the page, so that will kind of add that blue hue to it. And now it's time to get some of my stickers from the colorful boxes and label these sections. So here we go. Okay, that's a little crooked. I'm just going to go ahead and add that as close as possible. There we go. That's a little crooked as well. I'm not sure why I can't put a sticker straight, but I can't. Okay, then we have the other side, and I need 2 more for the lower sections. I really love how full and kind of whimsical the spread is. There's florals all over. It almost feels tropical, right? I will be adding 2 checklists really quickly to the lower portion of the list section. So I need 2 checklists. I'm gonna just grab them. I'm gonna do reds. This way these will stand out really, really boldly on a page. And I think that's it. I think I am done with this plan with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I will see you for another plan with me very, very soon. Thanks for watching and have a great week. Bye.